Hi, in front of me is HTC Desire 21 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager on this device. First of all, you need to go into Settings. Now choose Apps and Notifications, click Advanced. Choose Permission Manager and pick one of the options like Location. Then select an app, for example Maps, and pick one of the options, Allow all the time, Allow only while using the app, or Deny. I will go with Allow all the time, so when I go back, I can see that Maps gained access to my device location. But if you wish to manage all your app permissions, you can always tap on the app, choose See All Maps Permissions over here, click on it, and manage them from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!